In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in Shotcut. If you've got a project that started at one size and you need it to be sharper for a big screen or smaller for faster uploads and lighter file sizes, changing the resolution is quick and reliable in Shotcut. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what's happening and why. I've got a video open that's currently 1080 by 1920, which is a vertical 916 layout. Maybe you want to push it to a higher resolution or scale down to something lighter. Here's how you do it. At the top of the Shotcut window, click Settings. From there, choose Video Mode. In the list that opens, scroll down to Custom and select it, then click Add. This opens a custom video mode dialog where you can define the exact resolution you want. You'll see fields for width and height. Type the numbers you prefer. For a higher resolution standard landscape project, you could enter 3840 by 2160, which is commonly called 4K UHD. If you're working in vertical format like the 1080 by 1920 clip I have, consider using a resolution that keeps the same 916 shape so everything fits without black bars. The key is to match your aspect ratio to your content's orientation whenever possible. Once you confirm the resolution, Shotcut updates the project video mode. Your timeline stays intact, and your clips will be fit to the new frame based on your current scaling and filters. Keep in mind that higher resolutions demand more from your computer during editing and preview, while lower resolutions are easier to work with and export faster. When you're ready to export, Shotcut will use the project's video mode as the default resolution, so your final file will come out exactly at the size you just set. That's the most reliable way to ensure your output matches the requirements of your destination, whether that's a social platform, a client handoff, or a big screen presentation. A couple of quick tips to finish. It's best to set your resolution before you start heavy editing, so everything lines up from the beginning. If you do change it mid-project, review your framing to make sure nothing important is cropped or letterboxed unintentionally. And always keep the aspect ratio in mind. Matching it prevents surprises on export. That's it. Now you know how to change the resolution in Shotcut with confidence. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more straightforward tutorials.